Okay, 7 plus 3, and that gives us 10. Of course, bring down the multiplication. And 5 minus 2, and that gives us 3. Yes. 10 times 3, and that gives us 30. But this answer is 100% wrong. Yes, because we did not follow the order of operation called PEMDAS. Okay, sorry. Yes. So, according to the order of operation, multiplication comes first before addition and subtraction. Okay, so let us solve correctly using the order of operation. So, according to the order of operation, we are to first of all multiply before every other thing, and 3 times 5, that gives us 15. And then we have 7 and minus 2. And according to the order of operation, addition comes before subtraction. So, okay, so 7 plus 15 gives us 22 minus 2. And 22 minus 2, and that gives us, excuse me, 22 minus 2, and the final answer is 20. And the last mistake people make is that they do not subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. Okay? Bye. See you in the next video.